Form GSTR-3B is a simplified summary return to declare GST liabilities for a tax period. This video will guide you how to file GSTR-3B nil return in case of no business activity. Nil return may be filed by you for a particular tax period if you have not made any outward supply, commonly known as sale, and have not received any inward supply, commonly known as purchase, of any goods or services and do not have any liability for that particular tax period. Log in to the GST portal with your credentials and from your dashboard screen, click Return Dashboard. Select the financial year and return filing period for which you want to file the nil return. Click Search and tiles of all the returns you need to file for this tax period get displayed. In the GSTR-3B tile, click the Prepare Online button and you'll see this message. Please read the message and click OK to proceed. On the first question, do you want to file nil return? Click Yes. This will disable all other radio buttons. Click Next to proceed. You can click the Preview Draft GSTR-3B button to download and view the GSTR-3B summary page. Select the Declaration checkbox. Select your name. Now click File GSTR-3B with DSC button or File GSTR-3B with EVC button for system verification. For the purpose of this demonstration, let's file this return with EVC. An info pop-up about the late fee will appear. Click Proceed. And this pop-up will inform you that your filing is successful. Also, ARN will be displayed. Click OK to go back and download the filed return from Download Filed GSTR-3B button. And if you go back to the Returns dashboard, status of the GSTR-3B return will be shown as filed. It's that simple.